HYTE, the makers of my favorite case, the Y60. I currently got my gaming PC built into a black Y60. Unfortunately, they didn't have any white cases available at the time. But we're not here to talk about the Y60, we're here to talk about the baby brother, the Y40. The Y40 is an ATX size case, which is perfect for my streaming PC. Most of the parts are from older builds, but we did end up putting my old 3080 inside because it was just sitting around. Anyways, what are your thoughts on the Y40? I think it looks super clean. Do me a favor and tag HYTE in the comments because maybe I can get my hands on that brand new Y70 Touch in Snow White.